Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road. On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's start with the price, because who doesn't love a good deal? The REDTIGER F7N is priced at a very affordable $25, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to save some cash. But hold your horses, because the Miden S7 comes in at $69, offering some extra features for a slightly higher price. Now let's talk about installation. The REDTIGER F7N boasts an easy installation process with its permanent hidden cable. No need to fuss with a cable from your car's cigarette lighter socket. It's a breeze to install. On the other hand, the Miden S7 also offers easy installation, but it goes the extra mile with a wiring crowbar and detailed instructions for even the most inexperienced users. When it comes to power supply, the REDTIGER F7N takes the lead with its 24-hour surveillance capability. By connecting to your car battery or fuse box power, it can ensure continuous power supply even when your car is turned off. However, the Miden S7 doesn't fall behind. It features a parking monitor that automatically turns on and starts recording when it detects vibrations, providing 24/7 protection for your vehicle. Now let's dive into the most crucial aspect of a dash cam: video quality. The REDTIGER F7N offers wide compatibility and a reliable recording experience. However, the Miden S7 takes it up a notch with its impressive 2.5K plus 108 OP FHD front and rear recording. It captures even the tiniest details, like road signs and license plates, ensuring you have crystal clear evidence if the need arises. Safety is always a top priority on the road. The REDTIGER F7N provides multiple security protections, including low-voltage protection, overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, reverse connection protection, and overheat protection. These features give you peace of mind while driving. On the other hand, the Miden S7 offers a 3-axis G sensor and accident lock, automatically recording and saving emergency situations as evidence. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. Last but not least, let's talk about after-sales support. The REDTIGER F7N offers a worry-free 1-year free replacement warranty for any quality problems that may arise. It's always great to have that extra coverage. Similarly, the Miden S7 goes above and beyond with a staggering 10 years of free warranty and lifetime professional technical support. Now that's what I call customer service. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit and the Miden S7 dual dash camera have battled it out, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit and the Miden S7 dual dash camera have battled it out, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, it's not just about the features, but also about your budget and personal preferences. Be sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on these dash cams. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and as always, stay smart and make those informed buying decisions.